we'll do a few more problems, okay, and then we start new. Okay, please write down the question. Mr. Richard, please do write question. Mr. Richard, Mr. Richard has a recurring deposit account, RD account in a bank, RD account in a bank for 3 years, in a bank for 3 years. So once again I repeat the question. Mr. Richard has a RD account, RD is recurring deposit, RD account in a bank for 3 years, at 7.5% per annum. 7.5% per annum. Simple interest. If he gets rupees 8325 as interest as interest at the time of maturity, find number 1, find the first part, the monthly deposit, and the second part, the maturity value. Okay, let us pick the information and do. Time given 3 years. Yes? Yeah. No. Whatever has been given, you have to use that. Write down n is equal to 3 years. 3 years, that is 3 into 12. We'll change immediately in months. 3 into 12, that is 36 months. 36 months. Rate given 7.5. So 7.5% only we will write. Interest given here, interest. I is given rupees 8325. 8325. We will write that. We have to find the value of P. Monthly deposit is P. P is unknown. Let us find P first and then we will find the second part. We will use the formula of I. What is the formula of I? As we know, P n plus 1 R by 2400. We will put the value of I. I knows this much, 8325. 8325. P is unknown, keep as it is, into n. N is 36. 36 into 35 into 7.5 by 2400. Now we do calculation and find the value of P. Here only we will equate. We will put the value of I just below this. Now we are calculating and finding the answer. What? Okay, just a minute. How is it now? Okay. Let us calculate now. 5 15 times, 5 2 times. 12 3 times. You can cancel yourself, no? 12, this will go 200 times. So let's cancel again. 5 3 times, 540. 37 cost will be 5 7 times, 5 8 times you will cancel.
What 37 होगा?
Therefore P value will come
36 के बाद 37 होगा ना? N plus 1.
Oh, this is 37. This is 37. That means this 40 will not go.
Answer आएगा कुछ ठीक है.
Cross multiplication you are doing 8325 into 40 into 2 divided by this value 3 into 37 into 3. Just do the calculation and you will get answer. 3 and this will cancel now. 3 2s are 6, 23, 3 7s are 21. 22, 3 5 are 50. 3 2s are 6, 23, 3 7s are 3 5s are. Again with 3 I'll cancel this. 3 9s are 9 25. 37 and this must be dividing. You can check by how many times. Divide it by 25 times. We will multiply everything. 25 into 40 into 2. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 4 and 40 is coming to 1000. The first answer comes 2000. Do properly the calculation part, you will get answer. Now the second part. You have to find maturity value, that is A value. A formula is NP plus I. Putting the value of N, the value of A is how much? 36. P value we found just now 2000 plus I is interest. Interest value is 8325. So we will just put that value 8325 directly. And we find 72,000 plus 8325 and the answer comes
80,325.
80,325. This is the answer. Okay, next question. Right. Mohan deposits rupees 800. Mohan deposits rupees 800 per month in a recurring deposit account, at 6% per annum. 6% per annum. Full stop. If he gets at 6% per annum, simple interest. After that you write. If he gets rupees 1200, as interest at the end of maturity, find number 1, the time for which the account was held. First part, the time for which the account was held, and second part, the amount of maturity. Let us write down the informations as provided in the question. Monthly deposit is how much rupees? 800. Write down P equal to rupees 800. Okay, rate given 6%. Interest is given as interest, rupees 1200. N is question mark. N is unknown. Time is unknown. We have to find the value of time. Okay, first part we are doing. Write interest formula P n plus 1 R by 2400. We are writing the formula of interest. Putting the value. I value is given how much? 1200. Put 1200. P value is given 800. We put that 800. N is unknown. N plus 1 also unknown. Rate is given 6 by 2400. Okay. See how we can calculate the value of rate. Here we will cancel. 20 will go. 8 3 times will go. 3 2s will go. 2 and this side will go. 600. Let us write that 600 is equal to n plus 1. Now here we have two methods. I will teach you a shortcut method. How can we find the value of n? If this is equal to n plus 1, how can we find? You can have a look at it. These two n and n plus 1, they are two continuous numbers. Continuous. One answer is, suppose normally we used to put 25 and this used to become 26. If this is 24, this will become 25. One more than that. These two are continuous numbers. Can we break 600 into two continuous numbers, two consecutive numbers? Can we break it? Let us check. Okay. We will do 600 LCM we will take. 2 300 will come, 2 150 will come, 3 50 will come, 2 25 will come. Let us hope. Let us stop in here and check. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. So we are having two continuous numbers coming, 24 and 25 coming. This will always happen that the number out here, whatever is there, it will be always a multiple of two consecutive numbers. That means 600, instead of 600 we can add 24 into, first add the smaller one, 24 into 25. Equal to this value will copy, n plus 1. Write the smaller one first and then the bigger one. Because out here is smaller one, n is first and then n plus 1 is later on, one more than that. Then we'll compare, just like on comparison, n values coming 24, n is 24. 24 months. 24 months is how many years? 2. So 2 years. That's the answer. That is answer. If we are having two continuous number here, this number whatever is here, no, it will be always given in such a way that you will be able to express it in the multiplication of two consecutive numbers. You have to break down and see which are the two consecutive numbers you are able to break. So, smaller number you write first, then the bigger number. The smaller number is n over, so n value will become 24. Answer. Though there is another method also there, you can see the second method of finding it, second method out here only. I will just show. You can just only have a look at it. This is 600, let's do it from here. 600 and n plus 1. That's 600 as it is. Open bracket, you get n squared plus n. This will go that side. 0 is equal to n squared plus n minus 600. Now we will be breaking it into factors. Middle term factorization we can do. 600 you have to break to get 1. That is n square plus you will be able to break 25n minus 24n minus 600 like this only. Like this only. 25 minus 24 gives 1. Now here you get 0 n, here it comes n plus 25 minus 24 is common, it comes n plus 25. 0 is equal to n plus 25 n minus 24. Therefore, either n is minus 25 or n is 24. So, minus answer is not possible for 24. That's what we got here. So, n is equal to 24 months, which is same as 2 years. So, that is also a method. I think this will take slightly shorter time because these two numbers are continuous numbers, consecutive numbers. We will do it by this method. Yes, any response? Yes, Amarnath? Is Amarnath there? Amarnath, you had asked me one question. No, it is done on this basis, okay? You had sent me a question in my WhatsApp. So now you can do that question. It is same as this one. Okay? You try, if you don't get it, you'll ask me. Oh, okay, now another question.
Majority value.
Okay, now here we have to find maturity value also. That is first part of the question. Now we have to do the second part. Second part I will do here. Maturity value, how to find A is equal to NP plus I. Now you can calculate the answer now. N value we found just now, N value is 24.
800.
24 into P value is 800 plus interest value is 1200 given 1200. Interest value is 1200 in the question given. Now we calculate. What is the answer?
20,400.
20,400
400.
is the answer. This is the value of maturity value. Hope you have got answer. Yes. Where is the, what is your principal? Tell me. No, principal is not 800. 800 you are paying every month for 24 months. Your principal becomes this much. 24 into 800. NP, no? NP is your principal amount. Total amount you are paying in the bank. P is the principal for 1 month and you are paying for 24 months. How much money you have paid? 24 into 800. This is the sum deposited. Your principal is this much. Did you understand? Your sum deposited will be N into P. It's not only P. P is 1 month. No, 1 month's money is 800 rupees. But you are paying for 24 months. How much actual money you have deposited? 24 into 800. That's what we are doing here. So this is the principal plus the interest will make a amount. Please do clarify. That is a good question. Maybe suspicion in your mind, you can clarify. And I will clarify it. Okay, now next question. Okay. Write down question. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in a bank. This is ICC 2011 question. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in a bank. Full stop. He deposits rupees 2500 per month. He deposits rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. Stop. If he gets rupees 66250 at the time of maturity, comma, find number 1, the interest paid by the bank, and number 2, the rate of interest. Second part, the rate of interest. Again, we will be writing down the information whatever has been given. Okay. For this question, monthly deposit is 2500. Let us write P value. P value is rupees 2500. Monthly deposit rupees 2500. Okay. Time given 2 years. That is 2 into 12. 24 months. We are changing in months immediately. Okay. Amount of maturity given. At the time of maturity, that is A is given here, right? A value is given 67,500. It is given. First part of the question. R is unknown and I is unknown. First part, I is unknown. Interest. We will find interest first. Use A is given. Let us use the formula of A. What is the formula of A? NP plus I. A value is given 67500. N is 24. P is 2500 plus I. Let us calculate 67500 multiplying this will become 60,000 plus I.
66.
Oh, okay. Correction is 66. What did you say? 66?
500. 250.
66250. Okay, I'll keep that value, whatever I give. 66250. So please a correction you can make. 66250. I mixed up with the other question. I took the value from the other question. But anyway, you take the value whatever I have given. This will come this side and we'll find the answer. What is the answer? This minus this. Answer will come 6250 is the value of I. This minus this I did. Therefore, concluded. Therefore, interest answer is coming rupees 6250 is the answer of first part. Second part of question. You have to find R rate. Now, interest formula will apply. Interest formula goes on which way? Pn n plus 1 R by 2400. Putting the value of I. The I value is 6250. P is 2500. N is 24. This will come one more than that. 24 into 25 into R unknown divided by 2400. Let us 0 0 cancel. 24 will go. 6250. 25 into 25 will give us a 625R. 625 this cancels, so 10 is equal to R. Therefore, R is equal to 10%. Rate is coming 10%. That is the answer. Yes. Any doubts? Please response. The question was first asking find interest. We calculate the interest first. I will come out in rupees, and then I use the formula of I, and we get the answer. Now I do the question. Other time is unknown and the amount of maturity given. That time. That is slightly lengthy time. Okay. So let us take a question. Okay, right. The monthly installment. And the monthly installment of a RD account, recurring deposit account, RD account is rupees 400. Is rupees 400. Full stop. If the rate of interest is 8%, if the rate of interest is 8% per annum, 8% per annum, and the maturity amount is rupees 16,716, 16,176, please the correction, 16,176, full stop. Find the time for which the account was held. Okay. Let us take the question. Monthly installment 400 was held. P is equal to rupees 400, you write. Interest is 8%. Rate of interest, right? Rate is equal to 8%. Amount of maturity A is unknown, rupees 16,176. I write that value. N is unknown, time is unknown, time is question mark. We have to find the value of time. Okay, we will begin the problem by using the formula of I. I formula is P n plus 1 R by 2400. This time I value not given, we cannot put the value below. A value is given, we use the formula of A. P value is 400, let us write 400 into n unknown, n plus 1, rate is 8 by 2400. will cancel. 0, 0 will go. 4 6 are 2 3s are 2 4s are. I value is given, then we could have found the value of n plus 1 by that method. Factor and two consecutive number way, which I did just previously. But here we cannot do like that because a is given. Multiply this one with a, we will multiply, you get n square plus n 4 by 3. With 4 also I will multiply, 4n square plus 4n by 3. You can mark this as equation 1. I value is coming this much. Now we will apply the formula of A. What is the formula of A? A formula we know is NP plus I. Put in the value of A, 16176 and P is 400 plus I value will put this much, this entire thing. 4n square plus 4n upon 3. We will put that value. Let us see now, next time. 16176, these two will multiply, it become 400n plus this value will copy, 4n square plus 4n upon 3. Here we will add 16176. 1 is there, so we take LCM 3. 3 will multiply here, this become 1200 and 1 will multiply here, this become 4n square plus 4n. Now we will do cross multiplication. This by first we write this one, write down this value first. 4n square plus this and this will add, it will become 1204n equal to 3 multiplied by this. We can just write like this, 3 into this value, 16176. We may not multiply, we just write in multiplication form. We'll just write in multiply form. With 4 everything divides, you can cancel now. With 4 you divide, this will become n square. 4 divided by this one, this answer will become 301n. With 4 you divide this one will be divisible, right? 3 into 4 4 is 16, so 0 will come here, 17, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16. Now I will multiply this one. N square plus 301n is equal to 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 13, 3 4 is 12. Get everything on the left hand side. You get n square plus 301n minus 12132 equal to 0. This case is only a lengthy case, but if the question comes, we have got no other way. We have to do it. At the end, we have to do it, and we will give time for calculation. The product is 12132. Let us break 12132 out here. 12132. Please see the how it is broken. We keep on breaking till we get a number more than this value, more than the middle value. It should come something more than 300, or something in 300 only should come. It will not come a big number. We will come to a number close to 300, we will stop it there and check. First we will give it by 2. 2 6 are 12. 0 will come, 13 is there, so 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. With 2 again I will give 3 0 3 3. It won't go by 2 now, give it by 3. 1 0 1 1. It will again go by 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 11 is there, so 3 3s are 9. 2 is there, so 3 this much. So I am having a number getting 337. Something in 300, but more than this, slightly more than this. So I will not break further. I will not do breaking further. We will stop it here and check the multiplication of the remaining numbers here. 3 3s are 9 to the 18 to the 36. Check by subtraction, are you getting this answer? You will be getting always. 337 minus 36 gives 301. So don't have to break further. So next line I will be writing that is n square plus 337 and minus 36 and minus 12132 equal to 0. Taking common, n is common, it will come n plus 337 minus 36 common, here it will come same n plus 337 equal to 0. Now I write n plus 337 n minus 36 equal to 0. Two answers, either n will come minus 337 by shifting this one to the other side, or n value will come 36. These answers are not possible. Tan cannot be negative. What is the possible answer? 36. Therefore, we write n is equal to 36 months or equal to 3 years. 3 years is the answer. Hope you understood it. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes. Any doubts?